Janab, once again, very nice to meet you. मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी हैं, वी आर ऑल इंडियंस, वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा, एंड एवरी इंडियंस ड्यूटी इज टू टेक दिस कंट्री फॉरवर्ड. वी टेक द ओथ ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, वी टेक द ओथ ऑफ सर्विंग द पीपल. So this is not the first state, this is probably my 9th or 10th state where I have visited. So I make it a point to meet all communities. I get the full this thing and I try to understand what are the problems and things. Whatever little I can do. I am only a constitutional head. Ultimately it is the Chief Minister and the Cabinet who have to run the show. But at least in my informal meetings or discussions with them I can suggest, I can make some things known.